All right, Nick. So the ad tip that we filmed for this week isn't actually best practice anymore because of some updates to Facebook in the last couple weeks. So let's redo it.
So every time we do one of these tips of the week, we usually film them a week or two in advance, just so we're ready for the week. However, the tip that we had for this week actually isn't quite accurate anymore. So after getting off the call with our Facebook rep, we have new best practice based on some Facebook algorithm changes. So originally, what we've been doing for the last few months now has actually been doing single interest audiences at the ad set level. However, based on our call with our Facebook ad rep, we're actually changing this tip to be the most accurate and most up-to-date that we can possibly be. So instead of doing single interest, now we can utilize machine learning from Facebook to actually bundle our interests and have a little bit more of a broad spectrum ad set audience that allows us to be a little bit more reliant on Facebook. So what does that actually look like? So before, when we were doing the single interest, we would literally have an ad set with one interest. Now we can bundle them and have similar interests. So for example, let's use outdoors. Outdoors would be an interest. Outdoor recreation would be another interest. Outdoor enthusiast could be another interest. By bundling them, we're able to kind of broaden our audience and let Facebook use all of that data and still show our ads to the person who's most likely to convert. Previously, when we would do the single interest, we would have to have 3 different ad sets to be able to utilize that same function. And now we're able to just keep things a little bit cleaner, a little bit more simple, and use Facebook for what it's meant to do. The nice thing about this is it's taking what used to be part of the audience expansion, and now it just does it all for you. So we can still use our audience expansion just like we would do it before, but when you have in a few bundled interests, it allows us to get a little bit broader, a little bit simpler. Now we don't have to manage nearly as many ads or ad sets. Using this is definitely going to be a different game changer for us because something new, but by using Facebook and using their machine learning, we should be able to get some much better results. We're very excited about this, and we're definitely going to be using this with our clients moving forward. So we recommend you trying it also. Let us know what you think about it, and we'll go from there.